Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video on Dinh Duy Quang's channel. If you're watching and haven't subscribed yet, please hit the button to support Dinh Duy Quang's channel. In today's video, I will answer a question from a student, and I am recording this as a video to share with you all. The student asked this. Among all the details on their product code, they couldn't see any point at all. And when they used the commands to when adjusting the details, the curves and these points, they couldn't use any command. For example, when using the move points command with the shortcut key M, they still couldn't use it. And even when they went into these icons, all of these icons were also grayed out. So the reason for this is that they had turned off all the points on this detail. If you're facing this issue, you should go into the view selection section. Or if you don't have the view selection panel, you can go to the view menu and click view selection here. Or you can press the shortcut key F10, the shortcut is F10, then you'll see this view selection panel. And in this view selection panel, what you need to pay attention to is the contour point section, contour points and internal points. If you want to display all the points located on the outside of this part, meaning the perimeter points, then you should pay attention to the contour points. And if you want to display the intersection points, you need to open the grid section. So now, can you see these points? These large points, the grid points, are now displayed. And if you want to display the curve points, the smaller points, you will uncheck the box in the non-grid section, and then all these small points will be displayed. And at this point, you will use the commands so that you can adjust the points on this curve very easily. So during the process of working, I recommend that you should open both the grid and non-grid sections in the contour points panel. Next, let's move on to this inner contour line. You can see that there is an inner contour line, but when you use the M command, the command is just to move points, but you still won't be able to move it because all the points on this inner contour line are they're all locked. So you can display them by going to internal points. You will open the grid and non-grid sections in this internal points panel. At this point, you can completely adjust this curve, this inner contour line, however you want. But if you lock it, you won't be able to adjust it. And remember, if you've watched up to this point, please subscribe to support Dinh Duy Quang's channel. Goodbye, and see you in the next sharing videos.